Hello everyone, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm highlighting a new trade-in. It is stock number CP16513AT. It's a 2014 Honda Odyssey XLE VMI Northstar power mobility ramp upfit on it. Has a power ramp that automatically deploys when the doors open. Can wheel in there to the easy lock system, automatically lock your wheelchair in. You have your Q straight tie down system. These seats, the driver and passenger, are both removable and interchangeable. Undo the power harness here and you can wheel your wheelchair in there and lock right into the passenger seat, or lock in and drive from the driver's seat. Rear bench for up to 3 passengers. You do have a seating rest that folds out, I believe. Doesn't even look like it's really been used. Power outlets back here. Small flip down DVD player. Plenty of space back here. Have the door on the driver's side for easy entry on that side. Up front, have your DVD player down low, USB and power outlets, touchscreen radio, CD player. Nice dash up here. Steering wheel has all your controls for your cruise, hands-free phone calls. Power mirrors, windows, and locks. Also over here you can hit the close. The ramp will deploy. The vehicle will raise back up and the door will automatically shut. Open it one more time. The ramp's coming out. The vehicle is lowering at the same time. Again, this is stock number CP16513AT. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com, where you can give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thank you.